So really excited, but there is one question that we have, Zach, about websites.
Yeah, as we're getting started, we're looking at having one website for buyers and then one for people we're reaching out to as sellers. Do you recommend having two websites? Do we recommend having one website that splits into two functions? Or is that necessary? What are your thoughts on getting started?
So I've two websites. Obviously, you want to keep them separate because you don't want your sellers knowing that you're trying to sell deals. Probably the best. So I keep it separate. Depends how technical you want to get. You do like a Carrot site, you do like a ClickFunnels site. I mean, you do a WordPress. WordPress probably the easiest in my opinion, but I keep it really simple. Like we want a pretty good operation, but we like to keep it like stupid simple. Like if you're looking to buy something from me or you're looking to Jay with me, just here's a Podio link. You put in the info in there. Super simple. I have a bunch of videos on that can help you guys out. But wait, can you guys hear me right? Is the audio working? All right, perfect.
Yeah,
I just want to make sure.
Here
we have a 2-year-old, so
who's
we're
also trying to
not
ask questions.
All right, sweet. So, so I keep it for the seller side. I mean, the most traffic I get when it comes to people looking me up is they'll literally look up my name. So before I actually had acquisitions managers, people looked me up on Facebook. So everyone was looking me up, and all I had on my Facebook was just me with basically sellers. I did a bunch of testimonials, and maybe you might want to make like a private Facebook where no one can find it, where friends, family, and then you make a public one if you're actually going on appointments. And so basically that's what I did. So Zach in, and it was just me with a bunch of sellers, like them all happy. But I was like 19, so I needed as much help as I could getting credibility. So you don't even need a website for that. People will look you up if you keep saying your name, and they'll find you. The see with you sellers, they'll help a lot. You don't even need a website for that. Especially when doing virtual, it helps a lot. But for the seller side, I mean, I have a website. I don't think it gets many views or looks at it. People look me up on Facebook way more. That's my opinion. But when it comes to cash buyers, the real money in there is the email list and the SMS text blasting list. And I kind of keep them on Podio. And I just give them, if you want to do it, here to upload your proof of funds and stuff. I don't really think you need a website, honestly, but you could get a little fancier, but it's honestly up to you.
I think the goal was to make sure that when we do go to see the potential sellers, that we have something. So it's not like
just trying to figure out what they're looking for in terms of credibility, but obviously they're Googling you, they're searching your information. And
yeah, so obviously if they can like look up Anjali and it's you and 2 kids and a husband, like you're a family person, that's probably going to be very good. So just make sure, on Facebook, you don't like scream out like crazy political stuff or like you just start doing something crazy because people will look you up.
Yeah.
I don't care what political anyone is, but you're going to have people on both sides of the aisle when it comes to your motivated sellers, and it could be a turnoff for someone or not. So just keep that in mind. I'm not here to tell anyone what to do, but I keep it very neutral because of motivated sellers. Make sure the Facebook's good. I would probably make a little WordPress site, talk about you and your family. Depends if you want to put your family out there, but the family approach helps so much with motivated sellers.
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome.
Okay. Thanks, Zach.